So guys, today we're going to learn how to make money from copy trading. I'll show you how I do it. Now, there are different ways to do copy trading in different platforms. But what is copy trading first? So copy trading is a way for beginners to start making money in trading before they learn how to trade. Now, you don't give your money to somebody to trade for you. You are actually just copying somebody else's trade. Again, you are not like they give you signal, you copy. No, with the click of a button, your account is just copying exactly what that person's account is doing, or copying to the degree or how you make your settings to be. So if you're a beginner, you don't know how to trade, you don't know about candlesticks, you don't know about all those things, but you want to start making money in trading, then you can do copy trading. So you have a master trader, someone that knows how to trade already and has been trading and has been making profit in trading. You can look at the person's past record to see if he has been making money or not. You can then decide to say, I'm going to copy this person's trade, right? You just copy the person's trade, whatever the person makes in his account. When he makes profits, you make profits. When he makes a loss, you make a loss. That is copy trading. If I'm copying a master trader's trade, what is in for the master trader? It's money, profits. What is in for the trader is the amount he gets to make. So some traders will charge you as maybe 20% or 12% or 15% or 10% of whatever money they make for you. So let's say I'm copying a trader, I make $100 in a trade and the trader is taking 12%. So the trader gets to take $12 and I'll keep the remaining $88. That is copy trading. A master trader may know how to trade, but maybe he has only $1,000 to trade with, right? So because he's having like a lot of people copying his trade and he's making say 12% or 20% or 15%, depending from all the profits he makes for them, then it's making good money. That is how master traders make money. So if you're good at trading and you're making profits using your little capital you have, you can apply to become a master trader so that other people can copy your trade, and whenever you make profit for them, you take part of their profit. Now it is not part of their total capital, but just part of their profit. When you make a loss, you don't earn anything. So it's just like definitely trading with leverage. So that is copy trading. If you're a beginner, that is how you start. If you're a master trader, you know how to trade. That is how you make extra profits for yourself. Now, how do we start copy trading? There are several platforms and they all have different ways to copy trades on them. But the one I'll be talking about today is Bybit. How do you copy trades on Bybit? You must know how to conduct the fundamentals and analysis to choose a trader and how to properly copy that trader. And that is what we're going to do today. If you don't have a Bybit account, what you do is this: you go to the description, use that link, sign up. When you sign up, you fund your account. That way you can start trading. Now, if you use my link, create an account, fund your account, you get bonus of up to $30,000 depending on what you fund with. So if you've done that, let me now show you how you can start copying other person's trades. So what I'm going to do now is to open my Bybit app. Now I can do this on the system, but I know most of you use your phone. You can do this on your mobile phone. If you don't know how to set up your Bybit account, I have a video where I explain all this, walk you through how to fund your account using P2P or other method depending on the country you're in. There's a link in the description. Just click there to watch that video. So once you have done that, what you do next is to come here and click on copy trading. All right, so I'm going to explain this. If you check at the top right corner, it says my trades. So these are all the trades you are copying. You can see for this account, I'm not copying any trade. I want to show you guys from scratch. Now, you can join as a master trader. So if you are a good trader and you want to make money by sharing your trades for other persons to copy, then you can click here to join as a master trader. Now you can click here to see all the master traders. Now what Bybit did that I like is that they kind of put all these traders into categories. So if you look at the top, you can see top trader by ROI, return on investments. You can see that this trader has 57.60% return in the past 7 days. This one 42.85, this one 11, and so on. Then these are traders with the highest profits for its followers. You have traders with the lowest drawdown. So you can see that this trader has an ROI for the past 30 days of 101%, which is pretty good, and a drawdown of 10.12. The drawdown means that his account for the past 30 days has not gone down by more than 10.12%, but it has gone up by 101%, which is pretty good. Okay, you can see top intraday traders and so on. Now, look at something. If you look at these traders, like this guy, Roundfit, that has, he just have 72 followers, means that it's pretty new, and 700%. AUM is 690, so it means that the total amount he's trading with for his traders is just $690. He is pretty new. He's been trading for just the past 19 days. So I don't know how he performed because there's not enough historical data from just 19 days. So I might not want to copy him. If you want to take that risk, then go ahead. Now what I want to do is to expand on a particular trader. Let's look at real world. He has 1,000 persons following him, and his ROI for the past 30 days is 36.69. If you look at his AUM, which is the amount he's trading with, is $270.71 thousand, right? That is the amount he's trading with and the cumulative amount that of all those who are copying his trades. It means that there's actually high confidence in his trading strategies. So I'm going to click on this on him to get more information. So his 7 days ranking is 340. Followers, of course, 1,000 over 1,000. He's been trading for the past 81 days, and Bybit is ranking him silver and VIP 2. And he gives an instruction to his copier on how to copy his trade. Mind you, we will get to copying this trade, and I'll show you how to copy the trade. But what we're doing now is conducting some fundamentals on whether we should copy this guy or not. So total asset he's trading with is 12,000, right? Profit sharing ratio is 12%. So if he makes you $100, he's taking $12 and you are taking $88. That's what the profit share is saying. And overview, you can see a lot of data. For the past 7 days, he has made 9.5%, maximum drawdown 18.43% for the past 7 days. You can click on this to actually increase it, say 30 days, 36.68%. That is his ROI for the past 30 days. And maximum drawdown is still 18.43%. This guy, let me take it back to 7 days. This guy, he has made $17,760 for his followers, and he has made $6,044 for himself. That is his profit. Okay, more statistics. 2,448 followers has followed these guys. Some people copy and stop copying and all that. So about 2,448 persons in total have copied him. His win rate for the past 7 days is 98.18%. If you look at his win rate for the past 90 days, even though he has been trading for the past 81 days, his win rate for the past 90 days is, or 81 days in this case, is 93.02%. So it's a pretty good trader. Total number of trades 1,197, win 1,103, and losing trade 58 trades, which is pretty good. Now his average profit and loss per trade. So if you put all his winning trades and all his losing trades, and you look at the profits he makes in average, right? It is $5 per trade, which is pretty good. Average position holding time. This is the average time he holds a particular trade, So this is 1156 minutes, which is about 3 days. So his trade on average lasts for about 3 days, and he makes about 68 trades per week, and this is the time he last traded. Now if you go down further, you can see more like a graphical representation of all these things we've talked about, including the coins he trades. He trades mostly Bitcoin, which is actually great. It's good too. It's more like he just focused on Bitcoin and he's doing pretty good at it. So this is actually a pretty good trader to copy. If you look at the current open position, you can click here to see the trades that are ongoing, right? You can see some of them most of them are in negative, but of course when they turn positive, he closes his trade. You can also see his past copy trades. So these are the trades he has closed. You can see that almost all of them are in profit, even though they are just by a very little percentage. Then if you click on followers, you will see there his followers, the followers by the amount he has made them. This follower has been following this guy for the past 7 days, and he has earned $2,608 from just copying his trades. This other guy, he has been copying the trade, this is trade for 10 days, and he has earned 1,493 trades, and so on. So he can be copied. Now, if I want to copy this particular guy, real world, I cannot copy him because he is full, and there are 223 other persons that have expressed interest in copying his trades. So if I click on this, I am now in the wait list, so that if someone stops copying his trade, I'll be notified so that I can also go ahead and start copying his trade. So for us to start copying trade, we just have to look for a trader with very good statistics. Now, what I like to do to stay positive, because you can copy a trader who is making profits, but he has a very, he's dropped down maybe too much that your account can become zero while his own goes positive later. So you have to try to copy a trader that doesn't have a very steep drop down. So what I like to do is to go to traders with the lowest drawdown, right? And see who I can find there to copy. So this guy, Ramfis, if I click on him, he's been here for just 19 days. I don't want to copy his trade because he's just pretty new, right? I'm looking for a trader that he's been there for some time. I can actually click on more here. Then this miracle, I've actually looked at this trader, right? He's been there for 119 days. He has not much persons are copying him, just 85 persons out of 1,000, but his track record is pretty good. So he has made $7,704. For his followers, he has made $638, right? Maximum drawdown is really, really low. So he's a conservative trader. And if you check more details, he makes about 7 trades a week or 6 trades a week, and he makes about $3 on average with each of his trades. So I can go ahead and copy this trader by clicking on follow here. All right, now this is the stage I start copying this guy. There are 2 ways to copy. If you look at the top right corner here, you have smart copy. I can either use smart copy or I use advanced copy mode. Smart copy, if you're a newbie, Bybit is advising that you use this trader. So here, you let master traders manage your portfolio risk with fixed ratio and optimized entry timing. Recommended for traders new to copy trading. If you know what you're doing, you are experienced with this, you can use the advanced mode. You set a fixed order cost for each trade, not recommended for traders new to copy trading. Let's do the both of them. So we'll start with the first one with smart copy, and we'll see how it works. Then we'll go to advanced copy mode, and we'll also see how it works. So I'm going to click on confirm here. So what I'll do here is to just say phone to copy. So I can just say, okay, I have $455 in this account. So what I will do, I can say, okay, you know what? I'm giving you $200 to, trade for me with, right? Mind you, I'm not handing it over. I'm just saying you have access to, trade with $200 on my account. Okay. Then copy stop loss. So what this one is saying is this: I can set this as a percentage, or I can set it by USD. So what it's saying is this: if I enter, say, $50 here, it means that if this miracle, this master trader, is having a losing streak, right, and my $200 goes down by $50, in other words, it's now $150, I have lost $50. Stop copying this master traders, close on my position and stop copying him. I can also do this by percentage. So if I say 20%, just saying this $200, if I lose $40, then stop copying this master trader. In other words, it's a way for me to protect my capital. Now, this Bybit copy guard is just saying that if this master trader takes a trade, enter his trade or copy him at the optimum time or the optimal time. So don't just copy his trade, but wait for the best time to enter that particular trade. I can choose to turn it off if I don't want that to happen, but Bybit is saying I'm aware of the risk and agree to follow master trader trades immediately. So Bybit is more like using intelligence to more like copy the master trader at the best time. So I'll leave that on. I can agree and copy this particular trader, or I can decide to click on advanced setting and make some settings myself. So here it's more like I want to determine some things. Maximum position per contract. For this, if I don't set this advanced setting, the master trader knows how to handle this. But I can determine the amount I want to be used to enter each trade. Okay, I can just say for each trade, don't copy each trade with more than $10, right? I can say don't trade with more than $60 per day. I can also set my take profit ratio per order. So I can leave it for the master trader to set take profit and stop loss. But if I want that, if this master trader has made like 40%, then close the trade in profit. I can also set my stop loss per trade. So if the trade is in a negative by say 20%, close my trade. Or I can just leave it and let the master trader just do what he wants to do the take profit for me, do the stop loss for me according to his own settings. Then slippage, I can also leave it. I think with this slippage, if I'm using Bybit copy guard, it actually helped me to minimize my slippage, because it's trying to enter the trade where I won't have to pay more, right? I pay the lowest fee when entering a trade. Then if I click here, I can also choose the coins I want him to trade for me, right? If say I don't want him to trade blood, I don't want to go into the blood trade, I can check out some of this trade. Say I want to only copy his BTC trades, I can close all these other ones. Personally, I don't like traders trading everything in the market. I believe a good trader will just focus on some. I'm not saying it's not a standard, but most great traders see just focus on BTC or Ethereum and just make the most of it. But the fact that everything is checked here doesn't mean that the master trader is going to trade all of them, right? He's just free to trade what he wants to trade. But if I don't want to copy any of these other trades, I can choose to just uncheck them. That is what this is saying. So if all this is good, right, I can then go ahead and click on copy now. Now, I told you there is smart copy trading and they have the advanced copy trading. Let's look for another trader and use advanced copy trading strategy. So I want to check this guy out. Okay, this guy is trading for the past 30 days. His ROI has grown by $18 and his profit for this past 30 days is $309. Total asset is $3,000 and he has made $1,031 for his followers. Maximum drawdown is $4. Say I want to copy this trader, click on follow, right? The next thing, I'll change this smart copy to advanced copy mode and click on confirm. So here, what I do, I have $255 left. Let's say I still want to give him $200, right? And I can still do the same thing by entering, so okay, I don't want to lose money. If I lose $50 in this trade, please close this. I click on next. Fixed margin, how much should I enter each trade with? So fixed margin, I can enter between $10 to $2,000. So this is the amount I enter each trade with, all right? I can choose to follow traders leverage, right? Or I can enter my own leverage. Now, I don't want to use more than, let me keep it at 4x. Now, I can actually also do custom leverage. In other words, for each crypto pair, I am going to set my own leverage, all right? But for this one, it more like it cuts across all the pair I'm trading or I'm copying. So I'm going to click on confirm. I don't want to use more than 4x leverage. Now, if you know how to calculate position size, it will help you to better set up this. Watch out for the video where I talk about position sizing, all right? So again, just like the other thing we did, right? I can just choose to go ahead and agree to this and copy this trade, or I click on advanced setting where I put up more setting, all right? So here I can enter, you know, my maximum position per contract, maximum daily position limit, take profit ratio, stop loss, and all that, or I can just leave it the way it is and just allow the trader to, you know, dictate what happens. And I'll go ahead and click on copy trades. Now, once I've done this, you can see that if I go back to the home page, or if I go back to the copy trading section, copy trading, and click on my trades, I will see all the traders I am copying by clicking on master traders, right? It has not started trading because they have not started trading. Once they start trading, I will be seeing the effect of this on my account. Now, it is important that you actually observe this trader to see how well they are doing, because some will do pretty well, some will do pretty bad. Then you should go ahead and keep on adjusting your setting. You look at the trader, look at the kind of profit he's making, then keep on adjusting your setting. Then when a trader has given you a proper track record, he's making consistent profit for you, then you can give him more money to trade, because you can actually come to this trader, for example, and click on invest more. Because I've given him $200, I can choose to invest another $55, right? You can keep on giving the trader more money. If the trader is losing you money, you want to stop copying that trader, click on the trader and you click on unfollow. So there are two ways to unfollow. You can exit immediately at the current market price, or you continue copying the trader. Supposing you're in position, right? You continue copying the trader until the positions are closed, then it will exit. So I can click on this. So I'm not following any trade anyway. So from what has happened here, I have stopped copying this trader. So this is how you copy a trader. Again, you can copy multiple traders and give them different amounts and see the one that performs best. This, you kind of know a trader that performs best over a long period of time, and you keep on tweaking your settings. Once you get the right settings, then you can give the trader more money to copy to trade with. Now, on my other account, I've been copying a trader for the past 30 days, right? I'm gathering data, and I will share that video with you guys when you're ready, where I'll tell you exactly what I did to make that much money from my trades by copying some traders and the strategies I've used. So watch out for that video. I'll see you in the next video.